Hello, I'm Janine.
And I'm Francis.
And we want to welcome you to
the Fighting Fish Show.
Janine and Francis.
Janine and Francis Fighting Fish Show.
Yes, you heard it here first, folks. It's the Janine and Francis Fighting Fish Show. And today's episode, we will be discovering what makes us tick. Francis?
Metal?
Metal. He likes metal. He likes metal stick. You know, like bang, bang, bang. That's what he likes. I like chocolate.
I like chocolate.
Anyway, let's get on the show right after these messages. Oh, wait.
Make a special appearance.
We have a guest! Our first guest! Open the door, Francis. Open the door. And today's guest is... no one. That's a little weird.
Hi.
It's Francis. Come on in.
Finish it, finish.
Close the door, close the door. Almost done.
Finish the movie.
Almost done. Anyway, that was our producer telling us that we don't have much time left. So we'll be back tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
The sun will come out
Tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that
tomorrow. We'll be back to finish our show.